Have you ever wondered how crucial air ducts are in the functioning of HVAC systems? Well, they're like the veins and arteries of the system, carrying heated or cooled air to every room in a building. But how exactly are these air ducts manufactured? Let's break it down. The process begins with design and planning. Here, the ductwork is designed based on specific project requirements and building plans. The layout of the building, HVAC system specifications, and airflow requirements are all taken into account during this phase. Next, the materials for the air ducts are selected. Common materials include galvanized steel, aluminum, and fiberglass. The choice of material depends on factors such as cost, durability, and insulation properties. Once the materials are chosen, the fabrication process begins. This involves cutting, shaping, and joining the ductwork components to create the desired shape and size. Precision is crucial to ensure proper airflow and efficiency. After fabrication, the air ducts undergo quality control checks to ensure they meet industry standards and project specifications. This includes checking for leaks, proper insulation, and overall structural integrity. Once the air ducts pass the quality control checks, they are ready for installation. This involves connecting the ductwork to the HVAC system and positioning it throughout the building. Proper installation is essential for optimal performance and energy efficiency. Finally, the air ducts are tested to ensure they are functioning correctly. This includes checking for proper airflow, temperature distribution, and noise levels. Any issues or adjustments needed are addressed during this testing phase. In conclusion, the manufacturing process of air ducts involves design and planning, material selection, fabrication, quality control, installation, and testing. Each step is crucial to ensure the air ducts function effectively and efficiently in HVAC systems. Next comes material selection. This is where the appropriate materials for duct construction are chosen. These could be galvanized steel, aluminum, fiberglass, or flexible ducting materials. Factors like cost, durability, and the specific needs of the HVAC system all play a part in this decision. Once the materials are chosen, they're cut and shaped using specialized machinery according to the design specifications. Precision is of the utmost importance here to ensure a proper fit and functionality of the ductwork within the HVAC system. Following this, the cut pieces are assembled into the desired duct shapes and sizes. They're connected using welding, screws, or other suitable methods, ensuring airtight seals to prevent any air leakage. If the ductwork requires insulation, it's applied to the duct surfaces using materials like fiberglass or foam insulation. Insulation is key to controlling temperature and reducing energy loss during air circulation. After assembly and insulation, it's time for quality control. Here, each duct undergoes checks to ensure it meets industry standards and project specifications. Inspections focus on proper dimensions, airtight seals, and overall structural integrity. Once the ducts pass quality control, they're given finishing touches such as painting or coating to protect them from corrosion or other environmental factors. Then, the finished ducts are packaged securely for transportation to the construction site or distribution to clients. But the process doesn't just end there. The manufacturers also provide necessary instructions or support for on-site installation, ensuring proper integration with the HVAC system. Finally, to validate the quality and safety of the products, the manufactured ducts need to comply with relevant industry standards and regulations. Obtaining the necessary certifications is an essential part of this process, so there you have it. From design to delivery, the process of manufacturing air ducts is a meticulous one, requiring precision and strict adherence to quality control measures, all to ensure efficient and durable air ducts for HVAC systems. Remember, the next time you turn on your heating or air conditioning, those ducts didn't just appear out of thin air. A lot of work went into making them,